In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find quick win keywords using Semrush. This process is efficient and can help you identify those golden opportunities to boost your online visibility with minimal effort. To get started, the first thing you need to do is navigate to Semrush's website. Semrush is a powerful, data-driven marketing tool widely recognized for its ability to grow your business by providing in-depth marketing analysis. Once you're on the home page, the next step is to click on the Login button at the top of the page. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one, but today we're focusing on those who already do. After logging into your account, you will be taken to the Semrush homepage. This is where all the magic happens, and it's from here that you'll access the tools required for our keyword research task. Look for the navigation option labeled Traffic and Market. This is your next stop. Clicking on this will expand a menu that offers various analyses and reports centering around traffic and market trends. Next, you should focus on traffic distribution. This feature gives you insightful data on how traffic is spread across different regions or demographics for any domain you're interested in analyzing. It's a great way to see where your potential competitors are gaining ground, or where your own site might capitalize on untapped regions. Once you've acquainted yourself with traffic distribution, proceed by clicking on Organic Search. This option will take you into the heart of Semrush's search analysis toolset, specifically allowing you to understand how a website performs in search engine results. Here, you'll uncover which keywords are leading users to a website, which is crucial to finding those quick win keywords we are after. At this stage, you'll have access to a vast array of data that empowers you to choose the best low-competition, high-performing keywords. These are the keywords that you can quickly rank for, gaining visibility and search traffic without the need to challenge more established competitors head-on. Now that you're equipped with the steps and know the potential each section of Semrush holds, start exploring and identifying those quick win keywords that align with your niche or business goals. Semrush is a trove of powerful insights, and with some diligent exploration, you'll find those keywords that can catapult your online presence to the next level. So there you have it, a streamlined way to find quick win keywords using Semrush. I hope you find this tutorial helpful, and that it brings you a step closer to optimizing your search engine strategy. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this guide useful, and stay tuned for more insightful content.